ये देखो लैंग्वेज बेस्ड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है। यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं है, यहाँ पे मिटाया इन्होंने। देखिए पट्टी, ये देखो मिटाया है। पता नहीं क्या तकलीफ है इन लोगों को हिंदी से।
ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು ಅದನ್ನ ಟೇಕ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಟ್ ಟೂ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೂ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಇಂಪೋಸ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್
See, from past 5-6 years, all our Karnataka fighters, they have fought, activists, and proposed the government that Hindi is not our national language, but it is there. So that is why that metro authorities only put the tape saying that okay, only in Kannada and English should be there. Kannada is a regional language and English is an official language across the world. Right?
Hi all Kannadigas, it's by mistake I removed the sticker, so I am sorry for it. And I am also against Hindi imposed on regional language, so I respect my karma, Bhumi, and accept this apology.